What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video.
What's up? So today we have a lip for the Wrx. Change it, make the front end look a little more aggressive.
Fire. Been waiting for it.
So, yeah.
It's about time.
Yeah.
Looks fire.
So it's like $90 on Amazon. You know, I just got it cheap. You know, comes with the hardware, easy.
Yeah, just a regular lip.
Yep. We'll start with lifting up the car, front end, and
it's got all the holes already, so it's pretty simple to do.
Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like.
Car's all the way up in the air, got it on 2 jack stands in the front.
It's gonna look nice. That's it, right there. That's the look. That's how it's gonna look.
Yeah, fire.
Yeah. Alright, so lip is on, you guys can see.
Yes, sir. Looks good.
So here, I'll just tell them what happened, what we did.
Alright, so yeah, there's a lot that went on that we couldn't record.
Right. So what we had was, it has pre-hold like slots for you to put the screws in, and they're just garbage. So what we did is we made our own slots for the screws to go in. We screwed it in
so
ourselves.
it came with these metal brackets.
Yeah.
And so what we did, we drilled them out because they were blocking it from the lip actually going up to the bumper.
The car, and then there's no need for explanation.
Yeah, there's
just literally you guys can see it. We just drilled our own screws.
So we put a screw here at the end, and then you can see here there's a metal bracket that moved the lip down, which is, it was pretty stupid. I don't know why they put that there. What, an eBay lip? Yeah, it's just a regular eBay lip. So we drilled those out, and it actually went up, and we just put our own screws in. We had these bigger screws because it had to travel longer, so these are from us. And then those, all the other screws are down there. Those are what came with the package, and we put it in every single hole in the lip along the whole entire body, and it's nice and sturdy. Looks good. The only fitment problem would be is this little gap here.
But I honestly, it doesn't even bother me because it matches on the other side.
Yeah.
Like that little, this is just, you know why, this is just because it's a $90 lip,
yeah,
right?
It's not like $400.
So I'm gonna be honest with you, you do the competition between legit, like $400 or cheap. Really, nothing wrong with the cheap. I went with cheap. I mean, I'm gonna be scraping it anyways. So.
Yeah, next video, I'm hyped. Next video, this thing's being drop, boys.
Yeah, you see, look, show them real quick.
There's gonna be no more of this.
Nah, get that out of there. Time's pulling up. We're filming the next video now.
Yeah, I'm gonna make 2 separate videos.
Separated. So when you guys see
you
this,
can almost see what's in the back of the trunk for next video. Don't show them yet though, guys. Click onto the next video that's coming. Alright, Kyle. Disrupting the video. Kyle's disrupting the video. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Yes, there's a little fitment problem here. If you really wanted to fix that, you could heat it up and just push, but it's a $90 lip. Like we said, it's gonna get scraped. So that's that. Kyle's here. We're gonna start. You're sick in the head. You're sick in the head. So we're gonna start filming the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short lip install video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.